So this is week 3 of a Fit Challenge, and I have been having a hard time with my food diary. I actually came to a very strange realization. I generally eat well. I really don't have any problems with eating overall junk food. However, what I'm not counting in is all the little bits and pieces that I'm picking up on the way. Whenever I make food, I take a bite. Whenever kids didn't finish, I might finish that. So, and I think, a little bit here and a little bit there. It's not always the best food, and it probably does add up at the end of the day. I really noticed that even right now, sometimes I will not take an extra piece because I know I'm gonna have to write it down and I don't know how many calories. And especially when it gets to things that are more homemade and more complicated, you have to break them down. It's not, not everything has a label. So you actually, I skip on certain things just because I'm too lazy to go and look for the calorie count for it. Okay, here is my chest, or maybe not. 37. My waist, 35 and a half. And my butt, 47.